Hey, Jonathan.
Yeah, babe.
What is your preferred sharpening method?
For what? And
Give us details.
lawnmower blades, I'm going to take back there 2x72 and hog them out. If it's, your standard, like, guy walks in with a case knife, we're going to do it on the little 1x30 on a 600 grit belt and strop it. If it's a higher wear resistant steel, like any of the CPMs, like CPM um, S35VN or something like that has super hard carbides, I will use my diamond guide rod system because your standard abrasives, the abrasive granules aren't as hard as the carbides are. So if you try to sharpen S35VN with a natural stone or something like that, you're only removing the ferrite, leaving big chunks of the chromium and tungsten carbides. And then I strop on a strop that I have diamond emulsion on
Okay.
that is like 40,000 grit or something, maybe 4,000. I don't know. Very fine, makes it very shiny, very sharp.